All right, the next one we're going to talk about is going to strengthen these muscles on the back that do get forgotten sometimes. So we're going to show it in two different manners. If you're a beginner at this, you go to a countertop. We're using the Beta countertop. Will probably be a little higher, which is actually good. Okay, be in a position like Mike is. And to start out with, we're going to break this down from very beginners. Just take one arm and bring it out in front of you, and then down, and then alternate. Now that seems like it may not be doing much. You're thinking that's just shoulders, but it's not. That's actually engaging the muscles all the way down to the belt at a lower level. Now, once if that's too easy, stop that and now alternate leg lifting. Here, let me get my pointer over here. Notice his knees are straight. It's very important that you do this with your knees straight. That engages, actually you're getting some hip muscles in there, but that low back is really going to town right now, and you will feel that. If you do 10 of those on each leg and it feels pretty easy, then we go to the whole goal and the optimal strengthening for your back. This is quite a bit harder. It's going to work your balance. So it's going to go one arm and the opposite leg lift up. And that really engages the full back, kind of at an angle. We're getting the muscles here, and then the muscles this direction. Feel quite a bit harder, Mike?
Yeah, gotta make it more challenging. Bring your feet further out if you feel safe doing that. You can also get a good activation this way. Just makes it a little more challenging. But the advanced or normal version of this exercise we will show next on the mat.
Are you getting tired?
A little.
I'm not a bit. I feel pretty good. My
Oh.
back's feeling stronger.
Good for you.
Let's go. Okay, now this next one, we call it the pointer dog because it kind of looks like Mike looks like a dog and he's pointing. Anyways, it really works well. This is advanced. You may not get to this point, and that's okay. It depends on the level you feel you want to challenge. Probably not going to do this one on the bed. On a carpeted floor is much better because it's wobbly. It works your balance a lot. Now, when Mike is doing this, one arm goes out and the opposite leg goes out. There you go. Try and keep everything in the same plane. In other words, you can see everything is even. Now, one thing that Mike is doing that you need to focus on is he's strengthening or contracting his abdominal muscles, trying to maintain that core so the back does not overarch.